Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are starting today lecture number 5 for the Arabic language and alphabets. So, letter is Seen. Looks like C. Seen. You make it long of this letter for a little bit longer and pronounced Seen. Next letter is Sheen. Sheen. Shin looks like same shape of seen, but both are. What is the difference in between seen and sheen? Seen has no dot on the top, and sheen has 3 dots at the top. This is a difference in between seen and sheen. Both are shapes looks like W. Next one is Sod. Sod. Next letter is Dod. Dod. These both letters is heavy accent letters. When you are reading of these both letters, so you open your mouth is fully, like Sod, Dod, and next letter is To, and To has shape looks like B. To. And next letter is Wo. Wo. The same shape looks like To, but one dot come at the top. This is a Zo. You pronounce with the light sound of Z. Zo. This is a difference in between To and Lo. These both are letter also is heavy accent letters. To and Lo. Thanks.